Hi, I am Snow.
Hello, I am Bella. What should we do today? Let's count and learn colors. Yeah, that sounds fun. Yeah, let's go. Look, 1, red Elmo. Yay, 1, red Elmo. 2, blue Thomases. 2 Thomases. 3, green dinosaurs. 3 dinosaurs. 4, yellow ducks. 4 ducks. It's Bonnie, 5 purple Bonnies. Yeah, 5 Barneys. 6 black Batmans. Wow, 6 Batmans. 7 white stormtroopers. 7 stormtroopers. 8 brown teddy bears. 8 teddy bears. 9 orange tigers. 9 tigers. 10 pink Peppas. 10 Peppas. Let's count again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! We counted from 1 to 10. Yes, that was fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!